Aloha and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another Sunday cooking episode here on our channel. It is still very early at the moment. I think it's 6:30 now, so I woke up at around 6. But I spent the last half hour trying. So firstly made coffee and then trying to find the ulus. So my wife told me this morning that they got breadfruit yesterday, which is why I spent the last half hour trying to find where the breadfruit was. But it was just in the wheelbarrow, as you guys saw there. So we've got the breadfruit and also the ulis from the tiapula that I was planting yesterday, and that'll be our tonai, our mea ango for today. I think that should be good. And yeah, my wife told me that there's mamoe and Mamoe for the stir fry, and then up to me what I need to do with the chicken for the kids. So Mamoe and chicken. So far I think we should be okay. It should be a simple menu. Hopefully I keep it simple again. I try to make these as I go. Also want to say a special fatalo for to our Inga members, and yeah, happy Independence everyone. Yesterday was Independence Day here in Samoa, but official celebrations begin tomorrow. So yeah, it's hopefully everyone has a very good Independence Day wherever they may be. But yeah, I'm just gonna get started on the ulu and the kalo now, the ulis, so that get it out of the way and enjoy a bit of coffee. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. See you soon. Alright fam, so just finished scraping the ulu, not yet done. The uli's there, I have to clean them up, but did the first portion of the ulu, so we just scrape it a bit to let the sap come out, that white stuff, and then leave it for a bit, and then we scrape it all clean now. It's nice and light now. Sun's come out, which means the sun will be out tomorrow. And I'm planning to plant 400 tiapula tomorrow, so I'm not, hopefully it rains again so it'll be a lot easier, but yeah. Alright guys, finished cutting up the ulu, gonna fishy the ulis, and then I will head to popping them in the oven. Alright guys, finally done. I'm gonna head off and pop them in the oven. Alright guys, so as I said, a very simple menu today. Just got the mamoe here, chicken here, so I'm gonna quickly defrost, and then we'll get to preparing the dishes. I also need to pop in the umu now into the oven. Only able to fit three sides of the breadfruit, so that'll be good for now. We'll pop in the other ones later when those ones are cooked. So I also going to safety. That is. Oh my mom, yeah. Oh yeah. Hello. Oh, so full what? Ah. Tell you, if you say Kala, push it what Kala fellow full what? Kama, sorry guys, I've just skipped myself a little bit, but we've gone ahead getting the cucumbers and the carrots ready. Mamoe is now on, already just a bit of water and salt. And then we've got a new addition. We've got mussels here. So we use that for the coconut cream. And yeah, so we just got the chicken left to defrost. We'll get that on to the roast. The ulu is also ready, or the first of it. You guys see there? And that'll go, that's ready. So we've got the other ulu in now and the ulis. And then, yeah, just the chicken left and the mussels. Alright guys, so I already got the chicken, just a bit of soy sauce and sugar, black pepper, and that's gonna go inside the roast. Check on the Mamoe. Yep, looking good. Got the ulu there. Second batch of the umu with the ulis. Looking very nice. Alright, so I've just got the carrots left to chop up, but everything's almost forgot. I haven't defrosted the mussels yet. Gonna grab them, place them in here. Oh no, I think that should be enough. Let's grab one more. Nope, this should be enough. Alright guys, so I've got everything prepared now. Onions, carrots and cucumbers. Probably give this a stir soon, but everything is a lot better this time because I've done everything in preparation as opposed to other times I cook where everything just sort of crams in towards the end. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the end of the episode. Do apologize, it's raining now, which is a great sign because I'm planning to plant tiapula tomorrow, and I didn't really enjoy the sun, but it's good that the rain's come out. So I'm going to show you guys the results. If you made it this far, I just want to say thank you guys. I really appreciate it, but I'm really hungry at the moment, so I'm going to show you the results because I really want to eat now. Starting from this side, we got our ulu, very nicely cooked. We've got our roast chicken with soy sauce and pepper and sugar. We've got our mussels and coconut cream, payai mussel, and we've got our mamoe, which was made with cucumber, carrots, and the noodles. And then our uli there. Look at that small uli. That's yeah. Good things come in small sizes. Because I like it. But anyway, that's our menu for today, guys. Really great effort. Glad everything was done in time. But I think we're gonna enjoy this now. I just want to say thank you again. I really appreciate the support on the channel. Just want to say thank you to everyone that's supporting our channel in all sorts of ways. You guys have been the greatest audience. But I'm going to get to eating this now and enjoying the family for our Sunday tonai. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Share our channel. Really appreciate the support. We'll catch you in the next episode. Happy Independence to everyone. We'll catch you in our next episode. But until then, God bless. Take care. Stay safe. We'll see you guys soon. Alright guys, so we just arrived here at the cattle farm. There were 4 cows outside. I was trying to find, so we got the cows, we managed to get the cows back inside, the 4 of them. But we're trying to find out where the hole in the fence was. And obviously we found it. It was from here. So luckily we've got the axe. I'm going to try and chop down a portion of this. It's already dead wood, so it's quite light, but it's still pretty heavy. And then I'm gonna try and get this log inside, pivot it towards the inside so that we can fix the fence before we leave.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so finally managed to chop this bit, and then I pushed out, try and lifted this out. Man, that was super heavy, but glad it's out now. So I'm going to quickly fix the gates. We've got our tools in here, our plier in there, and our nails. I'm going to patch this up and then we'll head out. These damn cows, man, look at them. It's awful, them. Phew. Yeah, sure. Alo mamao wala ka. Sali. Sali. Kingofo mai ngadi o de fayok le papu. Alright, fence is now fixed to the best of my abilities. Tried my hardest, but it's alright. As long as it's fixed. Not a good ending to Sunday, but I'm glad we found the hole, because if we hadn't, cows would have been gone by tomorrow. So it's good. That's why it's always good to check up on the cows and make the effort to go to the cattle farm at least once a day, so that just so you can catch if there's any problems. But yeah, I think it was quite unfortunate that we missed Suki because of I didn't check the cattle farm properly that day. But there's room for improvement. Suki was already old, but it's pretty sad that she passed away due to her birth complications. But yeah, guys, check out our YouTube channel, guys. Look at the videos. This is our farming content. Every day is a working day for a farmer. So yeah, guys, we're gonna head off now. Definitely catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys soon. Pass out. So shut up. Pass out. Ele falou lá e no meio.